the kid is into losing sleep, and he don't come home for half a week. You know, it's more than just an aggravation. And the cradle will rock. Yes, the cradle will rock. And I say rock on. Ooh, rock on. And when some local kid gets down, they try and drum him out of town. They say you could at least fake it, boy. Fake it, boy. At an early age he hits the street, winds up tied with who he meets, and he's unemployed. Unemployed? Ow! In the cradle will rock. Ow! In the cradle will rock. And I say rock on. Rock on. Have you seen Junior's grades?